Managing Venmo transfers is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, it is essential to understand the basics of Venmo, a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their mobile devices. First, you need to download and install the Venmo app on your smartphone. Then create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is set up, you can link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to fund your transactions. To send money on Venmo, simply open the app, enter the recipient's username or phone number, and the amount you want to transfer. You can also add a note to the payment to describe the purpose of the transfer. The recipient will receive a notification and can then accept or decline the payment. To receive money on Venmo, ensure that your account is set up to accept payments. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be added to your Venmo balance. You can then choose to transfer the funds to your bank account or leave them in your Venmo account. For future transactions, it is crucial to manage your Venmo transfers effectively to avoid any potential issues. To do this, regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all payments are accurate and authorized. You should also set up a PIN or use fingerprint recognition to add an extra layer of security to your account. In addition, be cautious when sending money to unfamiliar recipients, as Venmo transactions are typically irreversible. To avoid scams, only send money to people you trust, and never send money to strangers or use Venmo for purchases from unknown sellers. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently manage your Venmo transfers and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that the service offers. Remember to always prioritize security and be mindful of your transactions to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience with Venmo.